Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to make a Barbie bed, a custom Barbie bed made out of items that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So this will be very inexpensive. I don't know how this will turn out, but let's stay positive and see what happens. Okay, so I actually have a bunch of this vinyl left over from when I reupholstered my dining set that I bought. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to cover this with this. I went ahead and took the little mini canvas that we're going to use for the headboard and traced it with a Sharpie. I'm going to go ahead and make either a 1 inch or ½ inch, not sure yet, allowance to wrap around that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to smear some of this no-sew fabric glue and then press this face down. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap each end, glue it, and seal it closed. Alright, after letting it dry, it is pretty darn dry. This is turning out to actually make me happy. I think I'm happy with this thing getting there. You guys, honestly, I don't know why I mess with any other glue, because this stuff right here is the best. Every time I don't use it, when I know I think I should deep down, I regret it. If I would have done this with like glue gun glue, it would not have stuck. Okay, so now that that's done, we have to move on to the mattress. So I'm gonna make a kind of a thick mattress. I was up all night the past like week. Don't tell anybody. Thinking about how am I gonna make this mattress. I don't have anything here at the house. And then I looked through my partner's packing supplies. I found this stuff. I guess it's just like foam. and it looks like it's about a 1/2 inch thick. I'm not really sure, and I'm not gonna measure it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure that, measure bed, trace onto here, and I'm going to do 2 layers, so it's going to be about 1 inch thick. Yeah, glue them together, and I also have a ton, and I mean as a sewer you should if you're doing patterns and drafts. I have a ton of muslin, so I'm going to go ahead and make the mattress cover in the muslin. I'll probably just glue it all the way around, kind of like what I did with the headboard on the bed. Do something kind of like that, and then that will be our mattress, because I don't think Barbie is gonna tolerate sleeping on this wood. She's not gonna deal with that. I think I like this. Okay, I'm done with the mattress. This is the bottom. I put this vinyl here just to make it easier to stick, kind of like a grip on the bed. So this is what it looks like so far. It's pretty cool. So now I need to actually make some bedding. Now she needs like a comforter and some pillows, so I'm going to use this fabric as the comforter, and I'll stuff it with some filling and then make 2 pillows.